Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me and my furry sidekicks a bit. If you're new, I'm Laura. Wyatt's white puppy dog. Xena is the tan puppy dog. I think you can see her little bum there. And today we're going to be opening the Spring Curateur collection. Can't wait to dig into this box. This is by Rachel Zoe. And she has a whole online shop through Curateur as well as the seasonal subscription box. So it comes 4 times a year for each season. And it's filled with luxury products at a much less price tag. So you can purchase it seasonally, which is $125 each season, or you can do it for the entire year at once, which is $450, giving you a $50 savings annually. And this generally is filled with products of around $400 for your $125. All right, so right when I open it, you can see she says that it's the premier shopping experience, and right on top is a little pamphlet that has your products description. So it's on the other side. Many times she does have options, so you can pick a different color in something, or gold and silver when it comes to jewelry. So you almost always have choices. You want to pay attention when that comes in to make sure that you make your choices. Otherwise, they'll make them for you. There's a couple other things right here on top. And she did already email all of her clients and let them know that they had an issue with one of their vendors. There was supposed to be a blush brush and a Posh powder palette in here, and it got tied up in U.S. Customs. So they're going to send it to everybody anyway when they finally get them, but they did replace it with something else instead. And yeah, so this was the item that didn't make it through customs. There's almost always jewelry. There's many times something you can wear or a bag. There's lots of beauty products generally that come in here, and you usually get 5 or 6 items in each box. All right, and then this is the anniversary of Curateur. So it says, "Hello, love. It has officially been 1 year since you joined Curateur," and I was with Rachel Zoe when she did Box of Style. So I've been with them for much longer than a year. But it says, "And I am endlessly grateful to have you as a member of our community. I hope you love the items in this box as much as we love selecting them for you. Show us how you integrate them into your life by tagging @Curateur or #CurateurStyle. Enjoy and cheers to another glamorous year of membership." All right, let's dig in to this spring box. Here's what I see. I see jewelry. I see beauty products. All right, so first up is the item that they had to exchange. And let me give you the details on this. So it says, "We've replaced the items that didn't come with the IGK Hair Legendary Dream Hair Shampoo and Conditioner, which we feel confident you'll love. We apologize for any inconvenience and appreciate your understanding." So she did send both. I love these, by the way. So they are the Legendary Shampoo as well as the conditioner that she sent. And these have microbiome, prebiotic, Red Sea algae, and I think they do great with my hair. So each of these is an 8 full ounce. So we're off to a great start. I don't know what the retail value is. She doesn't share, but the retail value of the blush brush was $32, so I'm guessing it's around that same value. All right, next up, this is by Byent, and the retail value is $209, and there's 2 items in here. It says, "Overnight repair set. Your skin has different needs from day to night, and the duo of serum and moisturizer gives mine exactly what it needs to look hydrated and refreshed when I wake up." So we have the Moisture Surge Overnight Treatment. This is 1.69 ounces. And then the Pink Orchard Subtle Restoring Overnight Cream, which is 1 ounce. These would be great for packing as well. So I'm looking forward to trying these. Okay, and they even come in their own little travel bag. Next up, Skin Gym, the Rebody Vibrating Beauty Tool. Check that out. This retails for $59, and Rachel says, my skincare routine is such a stress relieving practice, and massaging nightly with this chic tool takes it to the next level while giving me an instant glow. And instead of letting you see all the reflection there, let me show you what it looks like. Xena, meanwhile, is trying to, I don't know, hide a treat in the couch. All right, so here's what it looks like. Has that rose gold look to it. Okay, so it says to operate is just twist the end to the left to start vibrating and then to the right to stop, but mine doesn't appear to be working, so I might have to ask for a replacement. And then I love how they have the instructions on what to do. So it's basically saying the vertical lines between the eyes, like the brow area, so you would do all this, and then under the eyes, and then it says for the lip, gently press and massage around the outside of the lip area in upward motions. And then for the cheeks, begin just above the jaw and glide under and over each cheekbone towards the ear. So kind of just going this way. And then the jawline, press and glide from the chin up to the jaw, so basically from here up to the jawline. And you can even use it on your neck. All right, next up, jewelry. So this was an option where you could either get a bracelet or a necklace. The bracelet retails for $169, and I mean the necklace retails for $169, the bracelet for $149. Here's the two options. And you could also add on if you like them both and just buy the one you didn't purchase as your option. And it says multi-link anchored chain, and I got the necklace. Is a choker is so huge for spring because it flatters a variety of necklines, and you can't go wrong with the chain link and touch of shimmer. And then the multi-anchor chain bracelet, it says, obviously I'm a big fan of bracelets. You'll never catch me without a whole stack. And this one stands out because of the sparkle. So this is really pretty. And you could always go and, even afterwards, if you change your mind because you love this so much and you decided you wanted to purchase the bracelet, you could go into online and you could still purchase it. And they are discounted, even if you get it afterwards. So this is really cute. I like the sparkle as well. She always includes jewelry that I can remember. It's almost always jewelry. And you can wear it as a choker. I don't like chokers. You can see there's other options here, so a little bit longer. So I'm going to go for this one here at the end because I don't like anything too tight around my neck. But if you are comfortable with that and that does not bother you, then by all means go for the choker. So here's what it looks like. You could stack it and wear it with other jewelry as well. Like I could leave this necklace on I have on, bring it up a little bit higher, wear it by itself. It's a really pretty piece. It's really pretty. I like that. All right, and then we have the final item, which is a bag. This was also a choice item. You got to choose this bag, which is called the Jacqueline. It's a Rachel Zoe brand. And she said, I specifically designed this adjustable bag to be different from anything else in your collection and elevate everything you wear this season. You could get it in black or you could get it in ivory. The retail value is $98. I chose black, even though spring is coming. I decided to just go with the black and the gold hardware, which I thought was really pretty. So I like that it has the crossbody look to it. Like I have everything so nicely tied up here. And then it has, oh, it has the shorter strap too, if that's what you want. So you could carry it as a shoulder bag. And then here's what it looks like inside. How cute is that? So it has the zipper pocket here in the back. And then it has a card holders right here. And then you have enough room for sunglasses, for your phone, lipstick, keys, all that fun stuff. And then it just has the magnetic closure. It has the nice stitching here on the front, like the little pleats. And it has a pretty wide bottom, so you can fit quite a bit in there. And I think it would be very cute as a shoulder bag as well. Let me show you what that would look like. And I will rip off the plastic on this so you can see the strap. There we go. So this is the shoulder strap. It is adjustable. This would be perfect for a travel bag. If you just need to throw something inside your carry-on, this and then have something nice when you get where you're going, this would be a great choice. And look how cute it is as a shoulder bag. So cute, right? This is adorable. And this one does come off. This bigger one does come off. So you can just take that off if you wanted to. That's adorable. Super cute. That's everything. What did you think? This one would have retailed for over $500 based on the retail price that she shared on her little card for everything. And it looks like I have, oh yeah, the palette also, I was thinking we needed the palette. So this bender, the palette, and the brush didn't come. So that's why you got the two shampoo and conditioner. So these two will come later. In the email, she said once they come in, she'll still send them. So the palette retailed for $60. She said, this palette has it all. I love playing with the different combinations of color, warmth, and highlight, all in one convenient, travel-friendly collection. And I do like it because it looks like nice neutrals. And then for the brush, she says it retailed for $32. The fact that this brush is so dense yet so soft is what makes it a perfect companion to the palette. The powder glides on like butter. So I'll be excited to get these when they do come in. In the meantime then, I'll be enjoying my shampoo and conditioner and my Amazing Beauty products, my necklace, and then I'm going to have to let them know to send me a new one of this. And it probably all fits inside my bag. That's everything. Thanks so much for hanging out with me so I could share my spring Curateur with you. I think these are so much fun. If you'd like to give it a try, I'll put my link down below and you should get money towards your first box. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. Let me know what your favorite item was, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, everybody.